Hey K-12 students and parents, ready to jumpstart your college journey while still in kindergarten to 12th grade? In this video, we're diving into the K-12 Supplemental Form, your key to taking college classes for free. This is your chance to earn college credits, save time, and get a taste of college life. Stick around for a step-by-step guide, pro tips, and a little inspiration to keep you motivated. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community to crush it in college. Let's get started. Imagine this. You're a 9th to 12th grader, or even elementary or middle school students, taking real college classes, earning credits, and saving thousands on tuition. The K-12 Supplemental Form is the magic contract that makes this happen at community colleges like those in the Los Angeles Community College District, LACCD. It tells the college who you are, what classes you want, and that your school and parents are on board. Up to 11 units per semester. Zero cost. Check with your high school to double dip. Learn alongside older students and build confidence. Pick in-person, online, or asynchronous classes to fit your life. Is it required? Absolutely. You need a new form every semester for each college you're taking classes at. For example, 1 form for Los Angeles Mission College, but 3 if you're also at Valley College and City College. To make this process smooth, gather these first: your school counselor's name and school email, or principals for kindergarten to 8th grade students, your parents' email address, your high school's name and address, or homeschool affidavit. More on that later. Your student ID from the college. Check your welcome email after applying. If you haven't applied to college yet, pause here and watch my video, How to Apply to College, in the playlist linked below. Apply first, then come back. Also, if you're loving these tips, subscribe to my channel for more college hacks. Let's walk through the process using LACCD's system. It's easier than you think. Promise. First, head to LACCD.edu and click Login. Then enter your student ID from your welcome email and password. First time? Click First Time Signing In and follow the password instructions. Stuck? Check the password format or email the dual enrollment office. Links in the description. Next, change your password and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it a lot. On the student homepage, check the to-dos list and holds. Click Supplemental Application K-12 and select your college. Example, Los Angeles Mission College for Art 2001. No form in your to-dos? Use the K-12 form link in the description and log in. The form auto-fills your name, but add date of birth, address, city, state, zip, phone, and grade. Pick your high school from the drop-down. Not there? Choose Other and enter details. K to 8 students. Use your principal's name and email. No counselors or assistant principals, or it'll be rejected. Homeschoolers. Select Homeschooled and upload your affidavit for homeschooling. Get it at California Department of Education. Takes 30 minutes, no lawyer needed. Your parents' contact details. Pick the semester and year. Example, Fall 2025. List your classes. Example, Art 201, 3 units. Find names, numbers, and units in the college's class schedule. Watch my Understanding the Class Schedule video for help. Tutor 001T is auto-added, giving you free tutoring. Great for essay feedback. Don't panic, though. You don't need to go to a class for this. Some classes have prerequisites, like needing Drawing 1 before Drawing 2. Check the college catalog or schedule. Good news. Art 201 has no prerequisites, so even stick figure artists can dive in. Read the student authorization section, especially about prerequisites. Click to sign, Type your name and submit. The form emails your counselor, or principal for kindergarten to 8th grade students, and parent for approval. Homeschoolers? Just one parent's signature. Easy peasy. Check your application status on the Dynamic Forms portal. Link below. Wait a week before following up. Follow up as soon as possible. Make sure your counselor or principal and parent approve. No approval, no classes. Life happens, and plans shift. Here's how to handle 2 common scenarios. Scenario 1. Class is full at one college but open at another. Say you filed a K-12 form at Los Angeles Mission College for Art 201, but by the time it's approved, all spots are taken. You check the schedule and see Los Angeles City College still has openings for Art 201. Can you take it there? Yes, but you need to file a new K-12 Supplemental Form for City College and get it approved before registering. Each college needs its own form. Scenario 2. You want to change semesters? Let's say you got an approved K-12 form for Art 201 at Los Angeles Mission College for the summer term, but you decide to chill and goof off instead. No judgment. Can you use the same form for the fall semester? Nope. You'll need to submit a new K-12 form for the fall semester. Forms are only valid for the term they're approved for. Want to nail enrollment? Here's how. K-12 students enroll during open enrollment after priority students. Popular classes like Asian 001 at LACCD.edu fill up fast. Even waitlists. A backup saves you. File your form when the class schedule drops. Counselors and dual enrollment offices can be slow, so get approved before open enrollment to avoid holds. You're locked into the courses on your approved form. For a new class, submit another form and get it approved. Try asynchronous classes. Watch my Ready for College classes video for more. Same expectations as 18+ students. Failing a class shows up on your college record. Study smart. Parents handle supervision outside class time. Arrange high school credit with your school. Only enroll in listed courses. New semester, new form. This journey might feel big, but you've got this. Let's lean on a little wisdom from the Bible. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Proverbs 3:5-6, NIV. Trust the process, stay focused, and God will guide you through. Dual enrollment is your chance to shine, save money, and prep for college like a pro. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my playlist for videos like how to apply to college and understanding the class schedule. Got a question or a broken link? Drop a comment. I've got you. Now go fill out that form and start your college adventure. See you in the next video.